We're here at the Art Circle Public Library with Rebecca Wooten, and she's going to show us how to do an online Christmas rock painting.
Okay, first what you do is you take your rocks, and we already did the base painting, which is white, and then I'm going to take my acrylic brushes, which you can see I have a lot of them here. You can get them at Walmart. They're nice and cheap there. And your paints, I'm using bright red, is the apple barrel, and you can get those at Walmart. All these paints right here that we do all these rocks with are only 50 cents, and they're at Walmart, so it's nice and cheap. And then I'm gonna be making this lovely peppermint patty, and it's a Christmas rock. So we do the whites for your bases first, and then you're gonna stick your thumb in the middle, and that's gonna be your center line. And then you do little triangles all the way down like that. And you just paint in the triangle. And you're gonna go all the way around like this. You can even pick it up because it's dry. And you paint in your triangle. Just nice and pretty. And then you're gonna go and you're gonna do it again. Finger there so you can get your circle for the peppermint patty. And then you do another one right here. This makes it nice and easy. All kids of all ages can do this. Adults too. You can even make green peppermint patties. You can make green and white peppermint patties if you like that. Or you can make rainbow ones. I've seen rainbow at the store too. They have them in all different flavors. Whatever your kids want to eat, they can do that. But this is what you do, and you go all the way around the rock. And your ending is going to look like this when you're all done. And that's going to be your peppermint patty. Okay, I'm going to move on to the next one and show you another one. This one, I had base coated it blue, and we're going to make a lovely snowflake. And this one, you can basically put any base coat color you want on it. You don't have to do blue, but I decided blue because it's pretty for snow to be on white for the background. And this one, you just center your rock and you make straight lines. So this one's real easy for kids to do too. Straight line going down, right in the center. Straight line going across. Then another one going here. And another one going there. And then you're going to fill it in. You want to fill this in so you don't have any blue showing. So that it's nice and pretty. And then, where's my white? I'm going to get some more white here. Put that on there. Then I'm going to make little tiny dots. Actually, they're like lines. Little tiny lines like that next to them. It goes like that. This kind of goes really fast. And then you just make dots at the ends. of your snowflakes. And there's your snowflake. Nice and pretty. Yep, and just fill it in some more and get some more of that blue shadow going.
Thank you, Rebecca.
Can
you show us what you put on the back of your rocks
so
everybody knows?
On the back of them, you always want to put your name and the year that you did it. And we like to pass these out around town. So we have them on Crossville Facebook, which we put Crossville, Tennessee Rocks. I like to paint all the back of my rocks white because it makes it nice and clean. You don't have to, but you can. And that's what we do. And then we will eventually have these passed out around town so that you little kids can pick them all up and find them. And it's yay! Your little kids get so happy about it.
Absolutely. Do you spray these with clear when you're done?
And we spray them with the clear liquid, and it shines nice and pretty. And you can buy them at Walmart. The cans are right next to the paint bottles.
Cool.
Yep.
Thank you, Rebecca.
You're welcome.
Merry Christmas.